Hello there. Today we're diving into one of the biggest reasons why transformations in financial services sometimes flop: poor communication. Or as I like to call it, the great office game of Chinese whispers, where messages get hilariously distorted. Imagine trying to complete a complex project where everyone's speaking their own version of English. Close, but not quite. The result? Complete chaos. Misunderstandings, crossed wires, and more confusion than trying to set up a new printer on a Monday morning. Poor communication can turn the most straightforward project into a comedy of errors. Whether it's vague instructions like "make it pop" or "think outside the box," which box? Unclear objectives, or key details that never make it past the first email. So how do we fix this mess? It might seem like a daunting task, but with the right approach, we can turn things around. First, establish clear communication channels, ones that don't involve decoding secret messages or telepathy. This means setting up regular meetings, using collaborative tools, and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Clear communication is the foundation of any successful team. Make sure everyone knows their role, the objectives, and that we're all playing on the same team, not different sports altogether. Define responsibilities clearly, set achievable goals, and celebrate small victories along the way. This fosters a sense of unity and purpose, driving the team towards success. Regular updates are a must. They ensure everyone is aligned and moving in the same direction. Without them, chaos can quickly ensue. Find a method that works best for your team. Regular updates clarify goals, track progress, and identify roadblocks. Consistent communication fosters collaboration and keeps everyone informed. Make it a habit to update regularly. Lastly, encourage an open culture where no one's afraid to ask, "Wait, what are we actually doing?" Clear, honest communication is the difference between a project success and a project mess. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed this episode and found it both entertaining and insightful. Communication is key in any transformation. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun insights on avoiding transformation disasters. Remember, with the right communication, you can navigate through any challenge. Drop your funny communication fail stories in the comments below. Your story might be the next topic we cover. Let's laugh and learn together. Join the conversation, and let's build a community of better communicators. Subscribe for more laugh-out-loud insights on transformation success. Until next time, keep communicating and keep smiling.